Example: solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Minimum z equals to 1.5 into x1 plus 2.5 into x2 subject to x1 plus 3x2 is greater than equal to 3, x1 plus x2 is greater than equal to 2, and x1 and x2 greater than equal to 0. Solving: in order to get the result, first we convert the inequalities of the given constraints to the equations. x1 plus 3x2 equals to 3, equation 1, x1 plus x2 equals to 2, equation 2. From equation 1, if x1 is 0, x2 equals to 1, therefore the point is 0 and 1. If x2 equals to 0 and x1 equals to 3, therefore the point is 3 and 0. Therefore x1 0, x2 1, x1 3 and x2 0. From equation 2, if x1 is 0 and x2 equals to 2, therefore the point is 0 and 2. And if x2 equals to 0 and x1 equals to 2, therefore the point is 2 and 0. And thus we have x1 is 0, x2 equals to 2, x1 equals to 2, and x2 equals to 0. Plotting the graph, this is equation of line x1 plus x2 equals to 2, and this is equation of x1 plus 3x2 equals to 3. This is feasible region, the point of intersection A and coordinate of point B and C. The shaded region represents the feasible region. To find the coordinates of A, that is solving the x1 plus 3x2 equals to 3 and x1 plus x2 equals to 2, subtracting, we get x1 plus 3x2 equals to 3 and x1 plus x2 equals to 2, subtracting, so 2x2 equals to 1, which implies x2 equals to 1 upon 2. Putting x2 equals to 1 upon 2 in x1 plus x2 equals to 2, we get x1 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 2, implies x1 equals to 2 minus 1 upon 2 equals to 3 upon 2. So A equals to A 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. The different values of the evaluated as under corner point coordinates. Z equals to 1.5x1 into x1 plus 2.5 into x2, and maximum value at O coordinate point is 0 0. Z is 1.5 into 0 plus 2.5 into 0, so maximum value is 0. At A, coordinate value is 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, so maximum value of Z 1.5 into 3 upon 2 plus 2.5 into 1 upon 2, and maximum value is 3.5. And B at 0 and 2, so 1.5 into 0 plus 2.5 into 2 equals to 5. So hence Z minimum is 3.5. So x1 equals to 3 upon 2 and x2 equals to 1 upon 2. Answer.